How you all doing? So today we're here to finish the side wall. We're almost finished. We only have just a small portion left to do and we should be on our way to the back. Let me give you guys a look of what we did yesterday. So that's portion that you see there. I laid that in maybe 2.5 hours in the evening yesterday. Not bad. Finish this section. This part here took us 2.5 days to do this part here. That's the piece I'm doing. So I have that much left now to do, guys. Let's see if we can finish this piece here today. Okay, let's get started. Hope you enjoyed the video. Another one, guys. Finish that one. Let's go up another one.
Can't work on them to load flat. Braces. Show somebody put me right.